Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious mango smoothie. Let's get into it.
A magic bullet or a blender, a cup, a fork or spoon or any sort of mixing utensil. Now the ingredients you're going to need are a banana, some juice. I definitely recommend apple juice, but you can also use a fruit blend, and some frozen mangoes. Make sure you have parent supervision if you are using a blender or a magic bullet. First, you are going to want to get the juice and pour it into the blender like so. You're going to want to pour in about half of the juice box. Once you are done that, you're going to want to put in about half of the banana. Now it's time to pour in the mangoes. You can pour in as much as you like, but it depends on how much smoothie you want. Make sure that you screw on the cap tight so that it doesn't get everywhere. Now it's time to blend. If you need, you can take the cup off the blender and shake it a little bit. Once it's all blended, you can mix it up a little bit and make sure there are no chunks. Now you can pour the smoothie into your cup. Enjoy!